we are here, we are coming for this proposed sit-in protest there in Jantar Mantar today. But we repeatedly requested to the authority of the ground for the ground permission, but the authority declines to give the ground permission for the proposed sit-in protest there. So in fact it is organized by the India bloc team of Manipur, and there we have around 10 political parties included in the India bloc Manipur. But it is very unfortunate that we cannot do our rights to protest against the present unprecedented turmoil here. So we are not able to do our sit-in protest here today at Delhi. So despite of many people come from Manipur to Delhi for the proposed sit-in protest, it is very unfortunate that we cannot do our protest here. So we cannot do the protest today now. Even if the authority declined to issue the ground permissions, our protest, our movement will not stop. We will we will continue our protests in different forms.